Hello and welcome to the cloud video series powered by Saraswati repository. My name is Vishal.Majithia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SSL certificate on your WordPress install on AWS LightSail having Bitnami as a stack. So for this, let me open up the browser and log into my AWS console. Type Amazon console or on the Google search will give you the link for the AWS management console. Click on that and click on my account and it will show you the drop down and click on the AWS management console. So I have my account. I will be logging into my AWS management console. It is asking me for the multi-factor authentication that I have set for this for the security purpose. So now we are in to the AWS management console. Click on the services. It will show you the drop down of the list of the services. Click on the AWS LightSail where I've installed my WordPress and where I want to install my SSL certificate on my website, that on the WordPress that I have installed in the AWS LightSail, which is AWS managed service. Click on this icon in order to take the shell for this or the server access. This is the Bitnami stack, as you can see here. Let me clear this one. So now my IP address has been pointed to my domain name. First of all, you should have your IP address pointed to your domain name for installing the SSL certificate on your Bitnami server or the WordPress server. Let us verify this by opening the terminal. Let me zoom in a little bit in order so it will be easier for you to see. NS lookup, and this is my domain in the vishal.majithia.tech, and the IP it has resolved is 65.2.84.37. Let us verify this on this LightSail, and it is 65.2.84.37, which I have pointed my domain to this server, particular WordPress server. Also, we can verify this by typing the URL vishal.tech on the new tab. So it has successfully pointed, but it is right now unencrypted, means it is right now using HTTP protocol. We want SSL certificate to be installed on this particular domain. So on the WordPress terminal that we have recently opened up, what we'll be doing here is there is a tool named Bitnami Cert Tool. That's a BN Cert Tool. What we'll be doing here is sudo, typing the command sudo opt Bitnami and BN Cert -2 and press enter. So an updated version is available. Would you like to download it? Would you need to run it manually later? I don't actually want to upgrade it right now, so I'll be pressing no for this. And it is asking us, so welcome to the Bitnami HTTPS configuration tool. Please provide the world space separated list of domain for which you wish to configure your web server. The domain list is vishal.majithia.tech, and would you like to include the following domains were not included, that is www.vishal.majithia.tech. Do you want to add them? I will press yes for including www. Enable, it is asking me for the redirection. Please select the redirection you wish to enable or disable on your Bitnami installation. Enable HTTP to HTTPS redirection. I would say yes. I want all traffic to be direct to the HTTPS. Enable non-www redirection. So I would press yes for this. And enable www non-www redirect. Press yes for this. sorry, I can only press any one of them. So let us continue. Warning: non-www to www and www to non-www redirection cannot be enabled at once, so you need to enable any one of them. Press enter to continue. So it is asking, it has again started the wizard. I will be redirecting HTTP to HTTPS redirection traffic. Yes, press yes. Non-www to non, I would press no for this, and www to non-www redirect, press yes for this. So stop the web server, configure the web server to use the free Let's Encrypt certificate for the domains vishal.majithia.tag and www.vishal.majithia.tag. Configure the cron job to automatically renew this. It will be performing this kind all the steps, configuring cron job automatically to renew the certificate each month, because it is installing the Let's Encrypt certificate, which comes by default for the 90 days of validity, and after 90 days it will automatically renew this by configuring the cron job. And the fourth step it will be performing is configuring web server name to vishal.majithia.tag, HTTP to HTTPS redirect that we have prompted right now, and enable www to non-www redirection that we have recently told in the wizard. Start the web server once all changes have been performed. Do you want to agree to changes? I will press yes for this. So it will be performing all the 7 steps that it has shown to us. It is asking me for the email address. Let me type in my email address, that is vishal.majithia@outlook.com, and do you agree the Let's Encrypt subscriber agreement? Press yes. So Bitnami HTTPS configuration tool will perform any necessary action to your Bitnami installation. This may take some time. Please be patient. So it is installing the scripts, and it's performing all the 7 steps that it has shown us for installing the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on my WordPress website. Success. Bitnami has succeeded in modifying your installation. So it has successfully installed SSL certificate on my web server, that is WordPress website. It is asking me to press enter to continue. Okay, it has successfully installed. Now let us verify this by minimizing this. And what we'll be doing here is open up the block that is unencrypted. We'll be reloading this because we have told them to redirect HTTP traffic to HTTPS. It should be redirected to HTTPS traffic. Let us reload this page, and you can see, boom, it has been redirected to HTTPS. As you can see, the certificate by clicking on the icon here and clicking on the certificate. The common name is vishal.majithia.tag. That's the domain name of my website, and it is issued by the Let's Encrypt. You can also verify the details by clicking on the details link. So we have successfully installed SSL certificate on my WordPress website, which is hosted on AWS LightSail having Bitnami stack. So this is how you can install SSL certificate on your WordPress website hosted on AWS LightSail having a Bitnami as a stack. So I hope this was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thanks.